Let's talk about something I see all the time. You're good at your job, you know your stuff, but you feel stuck, right? You see the same problems pop up again and again. You've got ideas, but you're just not in a position to really drive the kind of change that matters. If that sounds like you, listen up. The answer isn't just to work longer hours. The answer is to get a completely new framework for solving problems. That framework is Six Sigma, and the credential that makes you an expert in it is the Black Belt certification. Today, we are going to cut right through the noise and give you the top 10 real, tangible reasons this certification is one of the single best investments you can make in your professional life. All right, let's get into it.
You know, there's a point in your career where just doing your job well isn't going to cut it anymore. To get to that next level, you have to make a shift, a big one. You've got to go from just being a part of the system to being the one who makes the entire system run better.
So let me ask you this. Are you tired of just patching things up? I mean, think about it. Most organizations spend their time running around putting out fires, just dealing with the symptom of the day. A black belt is trained to find out what's causing the fires in the first place, and then fireproof the building. It's a total game changer.
So, what are the actual concrete benefits we're talking about here? We're about to break down the 10 core reasons this certification is your path to making a real impact and taking on a serious leadership role.
Okay, let's start with a number that gets right to the point. According to Salary.com, this is the average salary for a Six Sigma black belt here in the US. Now, why is it so high? It's simple. Companies pay a premium for professionals who can deliver measurable, bottom-line financial results. This isn't just an expense, it is a direct investment in your earning power for the rest of your career.
And here's why your company is more than happy to make that investment. A single typical black belt project can save an organization between $100,000 and $250,000 per year. When you deliver that kind of ROI, you're not a line item on an expense sheet anymore. You become a profit driver, and that is what creates real career security.
I absolutely love this quote because it's so true. You might think it's all about statistics and complex tools, but really, it's a leadership deep dive. You learn to lead teams of people who don't report to you, manage stakeholders who are resistant to change, and present complex findings to executives. These are the skills that separate the experts from the leaders. This slide gets right to the heart of the black belt mindset. Before, maybe decisions in your area were driven by opinion or tradition or some senior person's gut feeling. Well, as a black belt, you operate on facts. You bring the data, you bring the proof. This approach builds incredible credibility and takes all of that high-stakes guesswork out of critical business decisions.
So how do you actually make this data-driven shift happen? The engine that drives everything a black belt does is the DMAIC methodology. This is our playbook. You can think of it as a universal, step-by-step roadmap for solving almost any complex business problem you can throw at it.
And it's so powerful because it's just so logical. First, you define the problem with absolute crystal clarity. Then, you measure the current process to get a data baseline. From there, you analyze that data to uncover the actual root cause. Only then, once you have proof, do you move to improve the process. And finally, and this is critical, you put controls in place to make sure those gains stick. It's a rock-solid, repeatable system that just works.
As a black belt, you master tools that are way beyond the basics. We're talking about things like regression analysis to predict outcomes and design of experiments, which lets you find the absolute optimal settings for any process. It's like going from someone who can just describe a problem to someone who can model it, predict it, and solve it in a way almost no one else can.
And let me tell you, mastering these skills doesn't just make you better at the job you have. It qualifies you for a whole new set of jobs. Black Belt certification is a common requirement for senior roles in operations, quality, and project management. And because every industry needs to improve its processes, these skills are in high demand everywhere, from hospitals to banks to tech companies.
And that demand is global. Six Sigma is the universal language of business improvement. It doesn't matter if you're in New York, Berlin, or Singapore. A black belt certification immediately signals to employers that you operate at an elite professional standard. You know, a huge part of being a black belt isn't just about what you can do. It's about what you enable others to do. You become a coach, a mentor, developing green belts and others on their own projects. Your impact is multiplied across the organization. You're not just solving one problem, you're building a culture of problem solvers.
Finally, and this might be the most important point, black belts learn to think strategically.
You get out of the weeds of just fighting the daily fires, and you start selecting projects that are directly aligned with the company's most important goals. This is how you become a strategic partner to the executive team, ensuring the work you do delivers maximum possible value.
So, what does it actually take to earn this? Let's quickly pull back the curtain on what the training really involves.
Any credible black belt program is going to be an immersive experience in advanced statistics and project leadership. But the single most critical component is the real-world coached project. You don't get certified by just passing a multiple-choice test. You get certified by leading a real improvement project that delivers real, measurable results for your company. It's all about proven application, not just theory.
So, when you put it all together, the transformation is really clear. The Black Belt certification is designed to build 3 core pillars for your career: deep technical mastery, proven leadership experience, and unquestionable strategic credibility. So if you feel like your career has stalled and you are serious about making a much bigger impact, this is a proven way to do it. It's how you make that leap from being a valuable employee to being an indispensable leader, a true agent of change who can solve an organization's most difficult challenges. If you're ready to become that kind of strategic leader, I strongly encourage you to explore our Black Belt training programs and corporate deployment options at sixsigmadsi.com. So the only question left is, are you ready to stop just doing the work and start leading the change?